Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to change your account picture in Windows 10. Personalizing your account picture is a great way to add a personal touch to your Windows experience. So, let's get started. Step 1. Press the Start button located at the bottom left corner of your screen. This will open up the Start menu. Step 2. In the Start menu, click on the Settings icon. This will open the Windows Setting window. Step 3. In the Windows Settings window, click on the Accounts option. This will take you to the Account settings. Step 4. In the Account settings, click on the Your Info tab, located on the left side of the window. This tab contains various options related to your account information. Step 5. On the right side of the window, under the Create Your Picture section, you have two options. You can either choose to take a picture using your computer's camera or browse for an existing picture on your device. Simply click on the appropriate option and follow the on-screen instructions to set your new account picture. And that's it. You have successfully changed your account picture in Windows 10. Now, whenever you log into your account, you'll see your new picture. Changing your account picture is a fun way to personalize your Windows experience. You can choose a picture that represents you or simply something that brings a smile to your face. Remember, if you ever want to change your account picture again, simply follow the same steps we just discussed. That brings us to the end of this tutorial. We hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.